Is DelZip reporting the delzip192.dll is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before diving into the delzip192 technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the delzip192, the DelZip v1.92 library, a specialized unmanaged module used by localized Delphi and C++ localized applications to manage localized zip, localized compression, and localized extraction, localized data link manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. delzip192 is a restricted library bundled with the DelZip engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the delzip192 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. It is important to avoid manual installation of delzip192.dll if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes delzip192 documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix delzip192. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.